Well, it's end of day video time again. I was going to put the bumpers on for a fit, see how they lined up. And when I got the brackets out, I noticed they were a little pitted, as you can see there. So I cleaned them up, re-primed them to make them look decent. So let's go inside. Okay, now we're inside, air conditioned. There's the bumper waiting to be fitted up. And over here, there was a little wrinkle in the hood, and my brother used his metal shrinking wheel on it and got it pretty much perfect. And here's the little stiffener piece that he welded in. That should work nicely. So that's kind of what we did today. There were other little fiddly bits, I guess, but yeah, that was the main part. So later.